Right.
They love you.
I love you too. Big up the brothers.
Anyway, they are the village. They never done a food control. Yeah,
yo,
straight.
Yo, let me tell you, Jamaica. Yo, let me tell you, Jamaica. Yo, Maroon.
I love the world, Billy. Don't come on. SASHI to the world. A fight. You know what change this now? 5 years.
Alright.
5 years out of SASHI. When I try band, turn it to the walk and share on the flyers. You hear that?
Yes, mommy. Yo, let me tell you something while I'm in Jamaica. Because I try to become president of Haiti, you know. You can roll that. Vibes Cartel, free him. There is no evidence. Free the boss. Period.
Yo, what's your name? Wyclef. Showtime again. Theater. Yeah. I'm Mr. People, are you ready? No, say no. I will say no. Come on, no. You know a pow, you have to say. I'm Mr. People, are you ready? Pow! Pow! Where the others are people over there? I'm reading all this now. Yo, DJ, play some song. Nice somebody plays. No. Turn it up, so. The youth will find the phone, get $400 US. What on? Rhyme up, you get money?
Four.
Oh, you know
Oh, yeah. What go on?
Rhyme up, you get money?
Explain that.
I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, Wyclef give me a money. Remember, I don't funny. I don't Jamaica honey. And the car out of the tummy. Okay, yeah.
Easy.
He give me $100. I want to know what it's for. If it come too easy, I don't want it.
Calm down. Calm down.
Alright, put my arm down.
I'm telling you what's happening.
If it come too easy, I don't want it, dog. So let me know.
Look here.
Can I throw it to the crowd?
No, look here. Mama hold it. No, hold on. Remember, bless the money. Mama bless the money.
Hold on to what you got, and I hold on to what I
got.
got. Okay, guys. Hello.
So the man find the phone. The youth will get the phone. Get 4 bills.
4.
Relax now, brother. To find the phone, I ain't find the phone.
Sure name pick it.
Brother Bill, man. Then now, the other people them get their money. See? That 100 US when me get now, announce the phone. But so him find the phone case and I made him apart, me give him a change. And right now, the girl now will find the screen protector. You have to give her a change.
From 7
Who found the screen protector?
From 7.
Wait, which one? Your E. Bring a honey. Who found the screen protector?
Me know she never come. Me know her. She gone home, but me know she live.
Which one? Who found the screen protector?
Hold on, come. Me know she live. I'm Miss Natty granddaughter. Me know she live, man. Wyclef, she work a call center. She gone home.
From 7 o'clock today, Wyclef buy me
a
man,
me know a woman. I tell her.
Oh, millionaire for give something you give.
Relax, man. Look here, Wyclef, and they look a short girl and get the ketchup in her one. But true, she have call center work a morning. Yeah, me know
she found the screen protector.
Yeah, but me have go up her yard and link her.
Alright. Clear the stage now because we are about to create heaven.
Somebody say SASHI!
SASHI!
When I see Esteban, big money popping everywhere we go. Big money popping everywhere we go.
Good night, everybody. Surprise. Yo, big up to everybody that's SASHI right now. For those who don't know, and you should know, but for those who don't know, my name is Denique, and welcome to the Denique Experience at SASHI. Ready? So this next song is one of my favorite songs to do. And I know you guys know it. It's so different because I put it on a different track. But once you catch it, I want you to sing it. And you might get surprised. young man, let me see your hand up. Oh God, no, but that's alright, that is it. This look better. Tell me what you want. What we say? They say you a girl, have no girl, no care. From you sexy and she pretty, nobody don't get scared. When them say below you, me not listen, me not hear. No second opinion, but tell them you want my dad. Squeeze me like you squeeze the trigger, me not find a real nigga lingo, but your ego big, you want me, you want me, you feel good, your face cute. Plus your love make my blood like a parachute. You love me so deep inside your tongue. Give me your heart, my grab it up when I'm a left hand. Yeah. Me grabbing on me left hand. Cause you are my dad. You love me so much just so you want. Put me on the top because you know me can't perform. What? You know me can't perform. That's why you are my dad. 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 Whoa, hey.
Now when I first met her, all I thought was dog. Like lose a lane, we can get out, freak it on. Baby, know the game, slip away. Slap me your number, it's the last thing in spring. See you first thing in summer. I'm a bad mother, shut your mouth. Pull a drop.